Hey there, muscle car fans. Thanks again for tuning in at Pedal to the Metal Muscle Car Performance videos. With today another amazing car in the form of this 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner with the 383 big block and the 4-barrel carburetor. The car we show you here is in amazing top show condition. It's been meticulously restored from an already existing very solid based car. As far as we can tell, the body is untouched. It's all original with original floor, original trunk, and it never had any damages or any rust before the restoration began. All the details on the car which you see here is, well, it's just pretty much as in factory as new condition. One of the nice features on this car is its amazing high option paint color in combination with, of course, the very famous air grabber hood, which you can see on the video but also on the pictures on our website. The chrome of this car is in stunning condition. All the glass work is scratch free. The paint is well, it's just factory brand new. The grille has been completely restored. If you see the engine bay and all the engine details and the decals and all the correct bindings and wirings, it's just in concours condition. And I can tell you this car also drives pretty amazing. It's not just a stunning looker, but this car is also built to drive. It really drives as one of the best Mopars I've ever driven in, and I can tell you I've been driven a lot of them. It's also equipped with some nice other features, like that it's completely numbers matching. So it's got the complete original factory engine and driveline still in place with the VIN numbers and all the date codes correct. But it also comes with the factory original fender tag, and it also has a factory original broadcast sheet or build sheet, as some people call them, which not only makes this car pretty stunning already as it is, but it's also highly documented. Some of its options is, of course, the high impact paint color, the air grabber hood. It's also equipped with which is pretty rare for a Roadrunner, with bucket seats, because normally they only had bench seats. This one also has the floor console with floor shifter, power brakes, power steering. It's equipped also now with disc brakes at the front. It's got the gorgeous looking strobe stripes on the car and the great and highly desirable tough steering wheel. So if you step inside this car, you really go back to the days when these cars were built new and delivered straight out of the showroom. You couldn't tell the difference. It's just as nice as it was new. The underside of this car is also a great feature because it's completely original to factory specs. It's got all the details and all the correct specs there and all the original codes as well. Of course, it's replicated because the car is restored, but everything was done to make this car as stunning as it is today. For the asking price, well, you can't even begin to find one of these cars, or let alone start a restoration process, because that's very costly, as you might understand. And today this car is for sale for a very, very attractive price. So don't wait too long, because once it's gone, we probably won't get another one. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. For more information, please go to our website at pttngarage.com, where you can find all the information and other pictures that are available of this car. And if there are still any questions left, well, always feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Thank you for watching.